subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new affordable Y series phone in Indonesia called Vivo Y27s. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y27s features a 6.64-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 650 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y27s sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 with FunTouchOS 13 skin on top. It is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 44 watts flash charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.2 by 76.2 by 8.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y27s has been priced in Indonesia for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,399,000 Indonesian rupiahs, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,799,000 Indonesian rupiahs. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in burgundy black and garden green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y27s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.